Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the book recommendation system using machine learning. So this is web-based project. User have to run the python space manage.py.run server and it will open the web page. Now open the incognito code and go to the admin section and click on the categories. So now click on the my ratings. These are the ratings, and now click on the products. So these are the complete products which we are uploading. Now this is the home page. Okay, let's click on the religion section. So these all are the religion based books. Okay, now we are opening the teen young adult books. We can just click on the view and you can click on the add to cart button, and this is the checkout option, billing address, and the payment section like full name, email address, city, state, zip, payment method in the card name, card number, expired month, expiry year, and CVV code. So you have to enter all those details, and at the end it will cost $9.66, and then click on the submit. Thank you for shipping with us, and we'll show the order number 8. Now you can click for get recommendation, select all categories. Okay, then select one and write 100 and click on get recommendation. So it will recommend the books according to the categories and the user input. The model will load and it will take time to fetch the result. So let's skip this part. In the background it will load the model and it will take time to run that project. Okay, so project developed using Python programming language, and Django framework is used, and machine learning model used to train the model. So this type of project we are developing related to computer science domain in Python, Java, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network. If you are searching any type of project, then you can contact us. I'll provide the contact link in description. So these are recommendation by model. These all are the books. You can also click on the view option. It will show the complete details of book. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.